Hello, hello! Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 healthy toast ideas for breakfast. When you get bored of eating the same thing over and over again, these toast recipes will introduce some newness to your life. These healthy toasts are easy to make, they're very simple, nutritious and delicious. So let's just jump right into it. The first toast I would like to share with you is the strawberry, avocado and white cheddar toast. To begin with, we'll toast our bread. That's gonna be very easy to do. And then we're gonna take an avocado and half it. We're gonna get half of the avocado and actually scoop the flesh out. And I'm just gonna spread that avocado on top of the toast. That's easy peasy. So I'm going to cover the toast with the cheese, and we're gonna get 2 strawberries and thinly slice them. You can use even more strawberries if you like. Then add on sliced strawberries and top everything with a little bit of honey. This is delicious. If you love your toast sweet, you're gonna like this one. The second toast is raspberry peanut butter toast. It only requires 3 ingredients, which I love. We're gonna get a piece of bread and toast it, and then we're going to spread around 1 tablespoon of peanut butter all over it, and then we'll just top it up with fresh raspberries. That's all. Very easy and delicious. The third toast is my favorite. Personally, it's peach and flax seed toast. It's so good. I really want to share this one with you. So we're going to start with the bread, of course. Then spread around 2 tablespoons of plain cream cheese on top of your toast and top it up with peach slices. We're gonna have to slice the peach, of course, for that. I'm using around half a peach. And then I'm going to drizzle raw honey all over it, and then sprinkle some flax seeds, which are, by the way, high in protein and just a nice addition to this toast. Sometimes you get bored of eating your toast with avocado the same way. Here's a different option. This avocado toast with sesame seeds is for that. So I'm going to get a piece of bread. I'm just going to cover it with 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter at a room temperature. And then we're going to get half an avocado and thinly slice it. We're then gonna cover the toast with avocado slices, and all I'm gonna do is sprinkle with some sesame seeds, crush red pepper flakes if you love a bit of spiciness in your life, then a pinch of salt and black pepper. And I'm going to finish it up with just a little bit of olive oil. The fifth toast is cucumber and hummus toast. I know there's loads of hummus lovers out there, and I'm one of them, so I totally feel you. This toast is savory, thus very nice. So we're going to get a piece of bread and basically get 2 tablespoons of hummus and spread it on top of our toast. Then slice the cucumber into around 6 slices and cover your toast with them. And then we're just gonna sprinkle some salt, and that's it. I love this toast. It's savory, not sweet at all, and sometimes that's just what you need in the morning, and it's so quick to make. The next recipe is avocado egg toast. That's when you have more than 2 minutes to make your toast and want something warm, more filling, with more fats and more protein that will fill you up for the day. So this toast is very easy to make, actually. Peel the avocado and scoop out the flesh. We're gonna want to spread the avocado all over the toast, of course, and then we're gonna heat up our frying pan or skillet, whatever you have. And then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of oil, let it heat up, and fry the egg. I'm breaking the egg in and letting it fry. I'm not gonna flip it because I like my egg a little bit runny when I can make it happen, to be honest. Once our egg is fried, we're gonna want to put it on top of our toast very easily. And then we're just going to sprinkle some salt and black pepper. And finally, I'm going to get my dill out. I'm just gonna chop it, and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the toast. It makes this toast even better. So definitely give the dill a try. The 7th toast I would like to share with you is tomato and parsley toast. It's easy to make, and it's actually quite nice because it's savory. So we're going to start with spreading plain cream cheese on top of our toasted bread. We're using around 1 tablespoon of it. Then we're going to cut our cherry tomatoes in halves. We're going to use around 1/4 of a cup of cherry tomatoes, and we're just gonna put them on top of the cream. Then all I'm going to do is get some parsley, chop it, and sprinkle it all over the toast and drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and finish up with a pinch of salt. Very simple, works beautifully. The 8th toast I want to share with you is the scrambled egg toast. Who doesn't like scrambled eggs? If you're one of those people who loves that, you're gonna love this toast. So we're going to start with cracking the egg into a bowl and whisking it until it's well blended and all yellow. Then we're going to add half a tablespoon of butter into a frying pan and let it melt. When the butter starts to bubble, we're gonna pour in the egg we just whisked, and we're going to immediately start stirring with spatula in small circles. And we're going to do that for around 30 seconds, and then all I'm going to do is change the motion to long sweeps across the frying pan instead of the circles. And I'm going to do that for around 20 seconds or so until it's cooked. And then we just want to remove the frying pan and remove the eggs out of it. And then we just want to spread half a tablespoon of butter on top of the toast and cover it with scrambled egg we've just made. And finally, I'm just going to chop some dill once again, and I'm just going to sprinkle it with it. It's so good with dill. I must admit the pineapple and cottage cheese toast has surprised me. I didn't expect it to taste so good. So I'm sharing the recipe with you. We're gonna want to slice our pineapple. That can be quite a difficult task, so just be patient with it. We're gonna want to have just 2 slices of pineapple, and then we're gonna spread cottage cheese on top of our toasted bread. It's around 2 tablespoons, and then just add on our pineapple and top it up with a handful of cashews. This combination is something else. Give it a try. Well, now I hope this last toast will put a smile on your face, literally. We're going to spread peanut butter on top of the bread. That's around 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and then I'm just going to top it with banana slices. We're gonna form the eyes, a little nose, and then we're going to form a smile out of blueberries. Beautiful, simple, and it's actually a very delicious toast that your kids will love for sure, if you have any, of course. Anyway, that one is cute and one of my favorites. So I hope you enjoyed these 10 healthy toast ideas for breakfast, and now your breakfast is gonna be a little more interesting. Hope your family, your friends will benefit from that. Anyway, enjoy the recipes. If you like the video, please subscribe or like the video itself. That helps a lot, and I would really appreciate it. Other than that, have a nice day, take care, and eat well. Bye-bye!